Today, we're diving into the powerhouse that is the YEYIAN Pegasus 1000W 80 Plus Platinum PSU. Let's talk efficiency first. With its Platinum certification, this PSU boasts up to 92% energy conversion efficiency, ensuring minimal power wastage and maximum performance. The ATX 3.0 compatibility and PCIe 5.0 readiness mean it's geared for the future, supporting the latest specifications and delivering ample power even under heavy loads. What's truly impressive is its fully modular design. Say goodbye to cable clutter. You only need to connect the cables your system requires, streamlining your build and improving airflow. And speaking of airflow, the 140mm whisper quiet fan with hydraulic bearing keeps noise levels down while maintaining optimal cooling, ensuring a smooth and silent operation even at full load. Safety and reliability are paramount, and the Pegasus doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with heavy-duty protections including OCP, OVP, UV, SCP, OTP, and OLP, safeguarding your components from potential harm. Plus, with high-durability Japanese capacitors, you can trust this PSU to deliver steady, reliable power for years to come. The multi-choice cable selection caters to various setups, offering flexibility and convenience. Whether you're powering high-end graphics cards like the RTX 4080-4090 or configuring a standard build, this PSU has you covered. And with comprehensive interface options, compatibility is never an issue. In terms of support, YEYIAN backs this product with a solid 5-year parts and labor warranty plus lifetime free technical support, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. With dimensions of 3.38 by 5.90 by 6.29 inches, it fits seamlessly into most PC builds without taking up unnecessary space. Overall, the YEYIAN Pegasus 1000W 80 Plus Platinum PSU ticks all the boxes for a premium power solution. From its impressive efficiency and modular design to its quiet operation and robust safety features, it's a top contender for anyone seeking reliable, high-performance power for their PC build. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.